Jamie Isaac. I am 21, I live in Groesfine and I work for a transport company maintaining and restoring a couple of vintage tractors.
So what time do you start work?
Roughly about 6, 6, something like that every morning.
Do you find it hard to get up that early every day, or is it just your body wakes up?
I have to set an alarm, but you get used to getting up early, a cup of coffee and everything like.
Do you enjoy it, or is it just to pay your way in life?
I don't mind it. Sometimes the alarm goes off and you just wish you could stay in bed, but once you're up, and it's fine.
On a day-to-day basis, what does your job entail completely?
Just general maintenance and restoring of the tractors, just working on little jobs or anything that's standing out really. We do a bit of work on the transport as well, so just whatever needs doing.
Do you think you could ever work a 9-to-5 job in an office, or are you used to this outdoor life?
I have done, but to be honest, I prefer getting up early. You get more done in a day. You do 12 hours a day. Obviously, it's more money. It's more, you get more done in a day. It's more appealing.